Encouraging news from the Mobile County Health Department today. Our Steve Alexander standing by in the studio with the information.
The number of cases did go up by 129 today, according to the health department report. But for the second straight day, no deaths were reported by the department. Now, the department is still not reporting the number of hospitalizations. It had said it's working on a better way of determining those numbers. Now, yesterday, health department officials announced that the Centers for Disease Control was moving away from having 2 negative tests to get out of quarantine. It said the CDC is now saying if you are positive, you should not get tested at all for at least 3 months past your first positive test. Another new recommendation for those who test positive: quarantine for 10 days with your last 24 hours symptom-free. Now today, Dr. Wendy Murphy talked more about the reasons behind the change.
And the thinking is that people who were symptomatic and positive, once they have gone through their 10 days isolation and are no longer symptomatic, that they will have some measure of protection from a secondary infection. So it looks like right now that while reinfection is biologically plausible, that there's not much evidence for that.
So Dr. Murphy says the CDC doesn't think someone who tests positive and recovers is going to be a threat to others or themselves for at least 3 months. Now, for his not having a surge in death, at least at this point, Dr. Murphy says doctors are learning more on how to better treat patients. She also said that remdesivir may be helping to reduce deaths. Reporting, Steve Alexander, Fox 10 News.